Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited because today I am unboxing some BTS albums. This is from the Love Yourself album, and this is the Answer version, and there's like 4 albums and they are like letters, so it'll be like SELF. And then I have coming the Love ones. I think that's like the Her version. That one is totally lost in the mail, and I'm having some difficulties. It's supposed to be on the East Coast, and somehow it got sent all the way to Seattle, Washington. I don't know. Amazon needs to figure their crap out. I'm having a hard time finding the Your version. My sister found the Y and the O. She's sending me the U. Now I just need R for Your, and I cannot find that anywhere. It's out of stock everywhere. But anyway, let's open this up. Enough rambling. So here they are. I was really confused when I was first looking at these because these are the Answer version, but they have like the letters for self. This is the last part of that album. So I have SELF, and let's open this one first. First up, a little damaged. I'm already, maybe that's just the plastic. That might just be the plastic. No, it is a little damaged. It's not the book. So let's open the book. If the book is damaged, then we have issues. Oh, this is so pretty. It's like holographic. See, I wanted it because they all have like different designs. So I was like, I can't just pick one. There's the CD. That's so pretty. Oh my gosh. I'm going to zoom you in. I love this. Look at Yoongi. What is he wearing? I don't really care what he's wearing. He's adorable. They're all adorable. I have like a favorite. I have a favorite for like every group that I listen to, but I love them all together too. Like their music is so good. Jungkook with purple hair is amazing. Jimin. Oh my gosh. Don't know why, but this kind of freaks me out. Oh, the photo card. I don't want to see it, so I need to find out where it is. Okay. I don't want to see it. I don't want to like come across it. This also kind of freaks me out. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I can't handle that. There's too many hands. What is happening? I don't remember what year this album came out, but I wasn't a fan of BTS then. Like, I didn't know K-pop. Like, I listened to them, but I didn't know it was K-pop. I didn't know this was a thing, like collecting albums and photo cards. And now here I am, almost 30. Getting so excited for albums. K-pop just hits different. Are those eyes? Oh, no, that's creepy. Okay, here's the songs on the A side. A? Is there another CD? Oh. Okay, there's another CD. So this one has Euphoria, Trivia, Serendipity, DNA. I love that song. Trivia Love, Her, Singularity, Fake Love. Whoops. I did not like Fake Love for the longest time. I don't know. It's grown on me. Tear, Epiphany, I'm Fine, Idol. Idol is so good. I listen to that all the time. And Answer, Love Myself. Okay, so these are the lyrics. I will have a link down below. Here's the B-side. If you want to check this out, I got all of these on Amazon as like one order. They were in a set for I think $70. No, this one was $68. The $78 one was the Love, so the Her version. That one is the one that's lost. So this one has a Magic Shop, Best of Me. Oh, there's a mosquito. Yeah. Oh, disgusting mosquito. I don't know where that mosquito went. But anyway, B has Magic Shop, Best of Me, Airplane Part 2, Mic Drop, which is really good, DNA Pedal 2 LA Mix, I don't know what that is, Fake Love Rocking Vibe Mix, and then Mic Drop with, oh, I don't know how to say his name, but he's the guy with the long hair. I just remember him. I watched the D-Day documentary with my sister. My sister's like 900 miles away from me, and we both watched D-Day together. And we were both talking about him, and I'm like, I know him from one of their videos. He's in that video with them. That's really cool. I want to say Steve Aoki? Aoki? I don't know how to say his name. I don't want to butcher it. And there is the CD. Oh, these are so cute. Suga. I love Suga. Okay, what's this? I don't know what that is. And then the notes. Okay. All right. Let's see who I got. Ah, J-Hope! Oh, he's so cute. I was really hoping to get Suga, but J-Hope is fine. I've been really loving J-Hope lately. Now on to, oh wait, I don't want that one. I want E. I was about to skip all the way to F. So this is E. Are they the same covers? No, they're different hearts. Yes, so they like connect. I love that. I don't want to see it. Okay. Oh, is there 2 CDs? There's 2 CDs in every single one. The same type of book. Oh, no. Wow. I saw these on Weverse. Like, they have pictures of themselves. Yeah! I saw this on... No, it wasn't Weverse. I don't know what I saw it on, and I was going to buy them, but they were all out of stock. Jimin is stunning. Oh, my gosh. Same with RM. They're all stunning. Like, these are so cute. Okay, I zoomed back out because it was getting a little grainy. Here's V. Oh my god. I love Suga so much. Suga is my bias and my sister's bias, and it's just so funny. We tend to bias rappers. Wow. This is really cool. Oh, J-Hope. Mosquito. Okay, I swear I am being targeted by this mosquito, and I like destroyed my desk trying to get rid of it, and I lost my place. I love how I opened it up to Suga. Where were we? Okay, I think we were on J-Hope. That mosquito was huge and like disgusting. I understand why Hyunjin does not like mosquitoes. Back to V. No, that's Jin. Why did I think that was V? That's Jin. That's Worldwide Handsome. How did I... He's in my bias line. How did I not know who that was? Oh my god. Oh. Jungkookie. Here are the songs, the same songs that are on the other CD. So there's no more pictures. Same little card. I believe same stickers. Yes, which is fine by me. I am loving these stickers. Same little book. Okay. Let's see if the Photocard gods are good to me. Oh my gosh. This is Jungkook. I think my sister got him too. Oh, that is so funny. Here is L. You should see my desk. It is destroyed. like these. I don't really know what to say because like I've really enjoyed these. Like I think they're really cool. Jimin. I really like these. These are really cool. Namjoon. V. Suga. Oh my god, he's so adorable. I love these. J-Hope. Jin. Worldwide Handsome. Jungkook. And then the songs. I feel like this one had less pictures. Same stickers. Same paper. Same notes. But let's see. All right. Namjoon! Oh, that's so cool. I have one more chance. One more chance for Suga. Come on, Yoongi, please. It's okay if it's not, but. So here is F. Oh, I like this. I like them all. I don't have a favorite for the books. I think they represent their style so much. I am very excited for their next comeback. And I'm already like saving money for it because with Stray Kids, I got into Stray Kids right when their next comeback came out. And I'm gonna be honest, I was not prepared for how much money I was going to be spending. So for BTS, I am saving. I started a savings account strictly for albums, and I'm gonna be smarter about this than I was with Stray Kids. One of each version. I'm not gonna go buy a million. Suga. I don't need 3 of the same album. Oh my gosh. He's just hanging there. That's so funny. J-Hope. Jungkook. Oh, with pink hair. I wonder if the purple faded by this time. Or if it was just colored pink. V. And then I think we just go to the songs. Let's see. I think it's V. I didn't get Suga. I have more albums coming, the other ones, so maybe I'll get Suga in there. If I don't get Suga in any of these, I might cry a little bit. Yeah. These are the photo cards that I pulled. So I have J-Hope, Jungkook, Namjoon, and V. And I'm really sad I didn't get Suga, but that's okay. I have more albums coming. Thank you all so much for watching today's video, and I hope to see you very soon in my next one. Bye!